Clappy, welcome back to my channel. How are you today? I'm really good. And yesterday a really pretty girl told me that Clappy, can you make a giant egg from chocolate with full of M&M candy? Wow, it's such a great idea and I decided to make this giant egg today. And anyone who like M&M candy, please don't forget to like this video because we have a lot of M&M candy today. Wow, it's really exciting. Let's start! Let's go through some ingredients and what we need today to make this bowl. First, I have a palm. And then chocolate. I have a lot of chocolate here today. Next is balloon. And the last one is the M&M candy. First, I use some water and wash my balloon carefully. Then you use a tissue to wipe all the water from the balloon. The next step we do with chocolate. I will melt this chocolate with some hot water. After waiting 20 minutes, is my result. Look at this, it's so beautiful. And it looks like a bowl, isn't it? And now I will cut the cover off. Yes! I'm done! the shape of a peach. Can you see it? A peach. Wow. Can you hear it? I will cut it. Oh, it's so soft. Whoa. Look at this. It's a flat edge. Whoa. So nice. Oh my god. Do you want some? Whoa. Yes. Look at this. Do you want to try? I will try a little bit. So nice, so delicious. Well, I like it, and we do it successfully. Well, so if you like this video and like this one, if you like chocolate or like M&M candy, don't forget to like our video and subscribe our channel so that we will have a lot of other videos. And time to say goodbye. Bye bye.